Let's learn how to make this segmented light bulb. First, go to the Insert tab and click on Icon. Then type the word idea into the search bar. Select a light bulb icon of your liking. Resize the icon to 10 centimeters for both width and height. Then place it in the center of the slide. Do a right-click on the icon, and in the appearing drop-down select Convert to Shape. Now insert a rectangle shape. Resize it to 4 centimeters for both width and height. Make sure to remove the outline. Then duplicate. Add 0.1 centimeters for both values of the duplicated rectangle. Place both rectangles above each other. Then make sure to align them in the center and in the middle. Lastly, group both. Move the rectangles to the light bulb and place in the upper quarter. Then duplicate and place below. Select both and make sure they are aligned at the left. Now duplicate both of the shapes and place them on the other side of the light bulb. Select the 2 lower shapes and make sure they are aligned at the bottom. Then select the 2 upper shapes and make sure they are aligned at the top. Select all shapes and ungroup everything. Select all shapes again, and under Shape Format, go to Merge Shapes. Then click on Fragment. Now delete all the remnants of the rectangle, which are outside of the light bulb. If other shapes of the light bulb were fragmented by the rectangles, make sure to merge them again. Then fill the inner light bulb sections with different colors to allow for a better overview. This is not our final color filling yet. The rectangles will also have fragmented the light bulb outline in small pieces. Select them with the cursor at the 4 shown spots and delete them. If you want to keep the light bulb outline, skip this next step. If you would like to remove it, click on the outline as well as the inner segment. Under Shape Format, go to Merge Shapes and click on Union. Repeat this for all 4 segments. The united segments will automatically take on one of the 2 colors of the unionized shapes. Give all shapes a different color from the remaining fragments. Then delete the fragments that are left in a cross shape inside the light bulb. In a final step, give the 4 segments colors based on your preferences or based on brand colors. If you would like to move your graphic around, don't forget to group all elements before doing so. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.